Welcome to Car Hub, where innovation meets luxury and power rides in style. Today we explore the 2025 Cadillac Escalade, a full-size SUV that continues to redefine what premium really means. With its bold stance, unmistakable grille, and commanding road presence, the Escalade isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. From celebrities to CEOs, this SUV has become a symbol of success and confidence. The 2025 model takes that legacy even further, blending raw performance with next-level technology and handcrafted comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 Escalade offers serious muscle. You can go for the refined 6.2-liter V8 that delivers over 420 horsepower, or choose the high-performance Escalade V model, which packs a supercharged engine with 682 horsepower. Yes, that's supercar territory in a luxury SUV. Its magnetic ride control and adaptive air suspension make every ride smooth, whether you're cruising downtown or owning the open highway. And with optional all-wheel drive, this beast handles like a dream even when the road gets tricky. Step inside and it feels more like a private jet than an SUV. You're surrounded by premium leather, real wood, and a massive curved OLED display that spans over 38 inches. The 2025 Escalade includes Super Cruise, Cadillac's hands-free driving tech that works on thousands of miles of highways. Add to that a 36-speaker AKG sound system, ambient lighting, and rear seat entertainment, and you've got the kind of ride that turns every trip into first class. It's not just luxurious, it's futuristic. The 2025 Escalade is more than just Cadillac's flagship SUV, it's the evolution of American luxury. It's made for those who want it all: power, technology, presence, and comfort. Whether you're arriving at a red carpet event or taking the family on a road trip, this SUV shows up big in every way. So what do you think? Would you go for the classic luxury or the high-performance Escalade V? Drop your answer in the comments and subscribe to Car Hub for more reviews, road legends, and rides that move the world forward.